25 years back, an idea has come. As a policymaker, we design so many policies, but ultimately it rests on the partners of this state and partners of the industry who makes it possible. When the idea has come to the policymaker then, and the idea, the vision to make this Genome Valley into one of the renowned life sciences hub for tomorrow's world. You know, the idea has rolled into action, the vision has rolled into action, and ultimately we could able, for the past 25 years, we could able to run as a single valley in India which can promote life sciences in better way. And we are seeing the fruits of the Genome Valley over here. 25 years we just celebrated, and many people, while we are celebrating 25 years of the Genome Valley existence, and later what we could able to do, what should be our vision tomorrow. And we can't sit on it and we can't idle on it, and that's the real reason we just started our next innings of our vision. We have put One Bio, a platform for all the biopharma industries to incubate, to innovate, and to see that the incubation for the startups or the innovation which is required should be propelled and should be accelerated by the infusion of the government policies. And this is where we would love to really take up and shape our life sciences policy for next 20 to 25 years. If those people 25 years back wouldn't have thought about Genome Valley, nobody in the world should have been known about the Genome Valley. And many people would have their single existence, and as a group, as a conglomerate of industries, we wouldn't have been here. And I'm so thankful that all the partners of the industry made it possible. And time and again I keep telling, it's not about the policy which makes it possible. It's not about the ease of doing which makes us possible. It's a drive and intent of our entrepreneurs who made it possible.